Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to use icons in charts. So for this, we will go in Excel workbook. So in the first column, we are having zone, in second column, sales, and the target given to the respective zone. So the first thing which we'll do is we'll select the data, go in insert, and select the combo chart from here. Now double click on this line. Click on fill in line. Let me collapse this line. Two options are there, line and marker. First of all, activate line. No line. Now activate the marker. In marker, activate the marker options. In this, go in built-in, and from here, you will have to select the picture. So the picture can be selected from file, stock images, online picture, or from icons. So let's select from icons. So I'll select this icon, insert. So it's done. The icons have been inserted to your charts. So this was all about how to insert icons in charts. For more videos on Excel, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I uploaded tutorials on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on different social medias. Link given in the description box.